Assalamualaikum friends. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we will learn about types of melon. Melon is fresh, fleshy fruit. The melon digests better if it eats itself. Overall, the annual production of melons is currently 30 million tons. There are nearly 40 types of melons out there to date. Let's learn about types of melon. Today we have learned about types of melon. I hope you like my videos. For more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.